Jupiter is the most benefic and positive planet. The positive planet like Jupiter is transiting into Capricorn on November 20th, 2020 to November 15, 2021. Jupiter represents higher knowledge, spirituality, priests, temples, teachers, research and scientists, layers and judges, children and knowledge of the Shastras and astrology. Jupiter is also Karaka for marriage and finances. Its color is yellow. Metal is gold. Gem is yellow sapphire. And direction is northeast. Jupiter takes about 1 year to travel into a zodiac sign. He is the Putra Karaka or the planet connected with children. The transit of Jupiter, the planet of happiness, wealth, and fortune, is moving from the sign Sagittarius to Capricorn, which will be for 12-month period of growth, opportunities, and countless benefits. Though the Jupiter will be in debilitation, Jupiter's positives continue to shine through its association with Saturn, which is already in Capricorn. Transit Jupiter will be sharing the sign Capricorn with Saturn, the ruler of the sign 10th house of karma in the natural zodiac. So, this transit carries Jupiter's undeniable blessings that can attract abundance and luck by providing great opportunities on the way. The transit of Jupiter would also bring a lot of positive energy that can support you to bounce back in the life by learning from the past. If at all you need my astrology consultation, if at all you want me to provide Jupiter transit report, please book for the consultation mentioned from the link mentioned in the description section so that I can able to provide you the analysis about your Jupiter transit. Jupiter is considered as the most positive planet and the most benefic planet. It provides goodness, opportunities in our life. If at all you want to know more information about your birth chart, if at all you want to know where exactly your natal Jupiter is sitting in your birth chart, you need to book for the consultation so that I can provide 2 to 3 years of my time, and I can provide you the analysis, and you can keep that report for next 1 year, and you can keep referring to that report on different events that might occur in your life. Astrology is just everything, and the most benefic planet like Jupiter is transiting into Capricorn from Sagittarius is a really good sign for learning and also to get that positive energy in our lives. All right, so see you in the consultation. Book the consultation from the link mentioned in the description section, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel because I'll be sharing loads of information to you so that you can able to learn astrology on your own. All right, so see you in the consultation. Have a nice day. Bye.